is up YouTube and welcome back to the channel The Goala. This is your boy Ganesh Narwekar and I'm back with a fresh video. Early pickup of one of the newest Yeezys that has come out. Boy am I excited to tell which ones they are. And I'm going to announce the giveaway winner of my previous Yeezy Sesame. So really exciting stuff guys. And the sneakers which I'm going to do a review on and show you all which ones they are the very limited, super hyped up, full of reflective material. This is the Yeezy Static in 350 V2. And here you go guys, have a closer look at these beauties. They're just amazing. So these 350 V2s have a really mad pattern. It's got this totally different design to any other 350 V2 before. It's really clean, absolutely amazing. And the best part about the shoe which I like is this translucent strip over here where you can see through, so whatever socks you guys decide to wear inside will actually make the shoe look different. So that's crazy because that's never been done in a Yeezy before and I'm super glad. These are so fresh, a colorway again which you can wear on anything, so super excited. You've got your standard 350 V2 upper and it looks really good in this static design which is trying to mimic the static that happens on television, and it's actually awesome that we have a different design on the Prime Knit for after a long time, because they've been using the same designs on all the Prime Knits of the 350 V2s for years, and this is the 14th V2 to come out in all of the year. That's mad numbers. And just a year ago, Yeezys were a thing of dreams and very difficult to get. They still are, trust me, because they sell out. But man, these are amazing. And these laces are fully 3M guys. They just pop under the right light. So crazy details. And on the inside, you've got this kind of a design which looks pretty fresh. And I've loved how they've used different static designs. So it's not just one design. On the outside there's a different static design, on the inside it's different, on the forefront it's different, and even at the back where the two designs join, it's absolutely different. So I love how they've done that, and each design, each different static pattern has different textured materials. So it's mind-blowing what Kanye's vision is and how he comes up with these things is absolutely fantastic. And you've got your Adidas Yeezy branding in the insole. And guys, if you do like the Yeezy line just like me, give this video a thumbs up and do share this video with your friends and family, and also keep the love showing for the channel. The more the channel grows, the more thumbs up I get on the videos, the more giveaways as well that I can do. So keep supporting the channel guys. These are fire. It's got an all white sole as well on the outside, so man, whew, trust me, I think these are the best 350 V2s to launch all year. I'm in love with them, and just the translucent strip which allows you to, put different colored socks which will give that look from outside is just unbelievable, and I love it. It's very thoughtful, and thank you Kanye for these wonderful ones. Now that we've covered that, let's see how these amazingly beautiful shoes look on feet. And now it's time for me to announce the winner of the giveaway, of the Yeezy Sesame giveaway. I got 1.3k comments. Whew. That's a lot of comments, so I had to scroll through all of them to give everyone a fair chance guys. So be patient with these giveaways. As the channel grows, I can give back to you all more. So the winner of the Yeezy the winner of the Yeezy Sesame giveaway is Peter Fernandez. Congratulations, I'm really happy that you have won these. And don't worry guys, there are lots of giveaways. There's an ongoing giveaway on the triple white Yeezys, and there's an ongoing giveaway on the hyped up off-white Nike Blazers All Hallows colorways, so check them out, link will be in the description. And keep supporting the channel guys, keep showing the love to the channel. The more you share it, the more thumbs up I get, the more You guys spread the word, the more my channel will grow and I can give back to you even more. And I'm super excited. So wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And hope you like these shoes. If you all like the Yeezys, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification button, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram. This is your boy, the Goa Lad, and peace.